In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes here in Clash Royale. It really is a simple process, but it's actually done outside the game. However, first things first, what you need to do is open up Clash Royale and make sure you're logged into your account. Before we go any further, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But once you're in here, to do this, just tap the three lines up in the top right and then hit your settings. And once you're in your settings, just make sure that it says connected for your Supercell ID. Now exit the game and open up a web browser of your choice. It doesn't really matter which one you do. This can be like Google Chrome or Safari. And just type in Supercell Store and then choose the first option, just like so. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this and then hit log in with ID. Once you get logged in, what you need to go ahead and do is scroll down until you see Clash Royale on here. Open this up, and once you open this up, you're going to see all these different offers and items in here. For example, I have this free gift up at the very top. Let me just go ahead and claim this, just like so. But if you get to the very bottom, you're going to see an option on here that'll say redeem code. And oh my gosh, there's so much that you got to scroll through. Simply go ahead and enter in your code in this section, just like so. As soon as you go ahead and enter in this code, you can back out. And of course, that'll be redeemed in Clash Royale once it does reload. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.